Modern factories producing svelte electric vehicles and breathtaking solar-powered landscapes are just two examples of how Tesla is redefining innovation. You're going to meet the Megapacks today, the batteries the size of superheroes that keep the lights on and the electricity flowing. They are poised to transform sustainable power, akin to the stylish cousins of Powerwalls. Speaking of revolutions, get ready for a look at the self-driving robotaxis, a peek of the future. Envision getting into a vehicle that doubles as your personal driver. We're delving deeply into Tesla's endeavor to bring this to pass. A group of enthusiastic inventors led by none other than Elon Musk are responsible for all of this magic. They're not just altering automobiles, they're also altering our perspectives on energy, transportation, and other topics. This upgrade is really exciting. But before we continue, please press the like button. Also, click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of this content. Greetings from Tesla Stock News. Now let's begin this video. Hi there. Let's examine the recent developments surrounding Tesla Inc. Thus, the value of their stock fell by about 18% following the release of their Q2 2023 financial data. It even dropped by almost 25% at one time, but during the previous week, it has managed to somewhat recover. Comparing the same period previous year, tsla produced and delivered 83% and 86% more cars, respectively. In specific terms, they delivered over 466,000 cars while producing nearly 480,000. Ineluctably, they chose to provide certain reductions in order to increase demand in addition to boosting production, which negatively impacted their profit margins. The intriguing part, though, is that once their fully functional self-driving software is up and operating, it's going to generate a significant amount of income through services like robotaxis, which has the potential to be revolutionary. Therefore, even though their cars' profits may not be at their highest point just now, over time they should soar as a result of the FSD magic. Not to mention, they're trying to gain a slice of the market. One major benefit for the company is that owners of Teslas are more inclined to purchase other models in the future. Additionally, any Tesla using the FSD software is effectively compiling important data to enhance the system as a whole. So those discounts on prices they've been providing, as it happens, they end up being beneficial in the long run. To change the subject a little, Tesla is no longer the tenacious upstart. As the best-selling vehicle in the world, their Model Y is dominating the charts, and superchargers are already commonplace in North America. They have certainly earned the right to be considered major players in the world of automobiles. Hold on tight, though, because the growth they've had over the last 10 years may seem slow in comparison to the sprint they're set to undertake over the next 10. Let's now discuss what will be the main attraction in the coming years: Tesla's energy storage division. Solar panels, energy storage devices like Powerwalls and Megapacks, and even selling extra energy back to the grid via their autobidder are the main products of this division of the corporation. People are raving about their Megapacks, Powerwalls, and solar panels because they have this entire system set up to make solar electricity a snap. Therefore, the true magic may occur on the energy storage side of things if you're looking at growth possibilities. In conclusion, even though the stock may be yo-yoing a little, Tesla has strong cards up its sleeve with their car business doing well and their other projects like solar and energy storage gaining traction. A long ride lies ahead for them. If 20 million Teslas were produced by 2030, who wouldn't want a share of that success? Let's now discuss their energy storage company. There are two main participants in this: Megapacks and Powerwalls. Powerwalls are a bit more economical than energy storage units, and they function similarly in the house. But when it comes to sales, the Megapacks are the true star of the show. These are intended for larger scale initiatives, such as companies and utilities that supply the grid with electricity. The increasing demand for Megapacks is hardly surprising given the desire for cleaner energy. Fun fact, there's a waiting list until about 3Q24 because these bundles are so popular. Tesla is increasing its production schedule in order to meet the increasing demand. The majority of Megapacks are currently produced in California, but over the course of the next year, they plan to treble that capacity by improving their plant. Furthermore, later this year, a brand new megafactory is scheduled to open in Shanghai, China. In 2024, more of these Megapacks will be released, and get this, further megafactories may be constructed in the future. Megapacks have a 3 megawatt-hour energy storage capacity each, but hundreds are needed for large-scale sustainable projects. They've already got some pretty amazing installations, such as one in Texas that supports the system during blackouts and another in Australia that supplies backup energy for an entire city. Not to be overlooked is the Alaskan project's outstanding contribution. Nestled in the rugged beauty of Alaska, a fleet of 37 Megapacks is a true champion in the field of sustainable energy. Together, they create a symphony of energy that not only amplifies the region's capacity for sustainable energy, but also boldly opposes the use of gas turbine electricity. These strong units store and release solar energy, lowering carbon emissions and providing clean power to the land. It's a fascinating tango between technology and environment. This project is a beacon of innovation and a tribute to Tesla's dedication to a greener future against the backdrop of Alaska's wild surroundings. Let's talk about the cash flow now. Like its automobiles, Tesla hopes to turn a profit margin of a healthy 10% on each Megapack, which retails for about $2.4 million. It appears that they are preparing for some strong profits in the future as additional Megapacks are expected to come off the production line in the coming years. When we talk about automobiles, we can't ignore the incredibly cool, fully autonomous platform. This baby is meant to make Teslas become the ultimate self-driving vehicles. They are currently at level 3, which allows the automobile to drive itself, but still requires your constant supervision. Level 5 is the ultimate aim, where the vehicle can function fully without a driver. The issue is that they are now only at about 300 million miles of FSD experience, and it will take them an astounding 6 billion miles to reach that point. It's therefore a reminder that even while these advancements are thrilling, a little patience is still needed, even though the transition to fully autonomous Teslas is more a question of when than if. We look forward to the day when our automobiles can drive themselves through the streets with ease, but until then, there are many complex obstacles that need to be carefully navigated on the road to complete automation. Although the final destination is undoubtedly exciting, getting there might take a little longer as Tesla's creative minds continue to fine-tune. Discover this innovative technique, level 4 is now a little more achievable. At this point, the cars are capable of managing themselves in some situations, such as city streets, and Tesla might be prepared to enter the robotaxi industry if they succeed in this. Yes, try to picture cabs without drivers. It's revolutionary. 2 varieties of robotaxis are under consideration, one for ride-sharing only, and another enabling Tesla owners to rent out their vehicles via a dedicated app. What's the best thing, then? With a potential profit split for the car owners, it's significantly less expensive than typical rides. Oh, and speaking of earnings, it's important to know that other self-driving cab businesses anticipate enormous profits by 2030. Thus, there is a lot of promise for Tesla's robotaxi concept. Additionally, don't let Tesla's brief delivery difficulties in China depress you too much. The tale of this company is much more complex, involving energy storage, aspirations of self-driving cars, and those futuristic robotaxis. They have a lot of exciting times in store. In addition, if you're interested in their stock, we believe it's a fantastic investment at this time. Experts support the company and remain committed to their price estimate of $492 per share. Just keep in mind that all the benefits from FSD, robotaxis, and solar energy storage are not even included in this. We're now awaiting further information on that front. What's the bottom line then? TSLA's auto business is in a great situation thanks to strong support from governments throughout the globe, a sizable and constantly expanding production capability, a penchant for providing price reductions to keep things moving, and some slower competition. They may be compared to the pioneers of the electric automobile industry, similar to how Cadbury's was for chocolate and Xerox was for copying. They're preparing to make waves in other sectors as well, like solar panels and roofs and those awesome battery storage arrangements, so they're not just stopping at automobiles anymore. Hey, who knows? FSD and robotaxis could bring some intriguing developments in the future. Without a doubt, the cash flow is looking strong. For Tesla Inc., the future appears bright. And if you're a member of the Investor Club, the sky is blue. That concludes our film, my buddy, about Tesla's amazing path from electric vehicles to solar energy, battery storage, and the possible future of self-driving robotaxis. As we excitedly observe Tesla's stock dance and ideas take shape, it's evident that the company is creating quite a stir. Recall that Tesla has the most exciting journey ahead of it. We also wanted to leave the following queries up to you. What do you think of Tesla's plan to lower prices in order to increase demand for its vehicles? Furthermore, how important is Tesla's standing in the electric vehicle market? What elements, in spite of competition, contribute to their ongoing success? Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in upcoming videos. Everything is ready. Tell me if you require anything else.